Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about one of the most fascinating and impressive reptiles in the world, the Komodo dragon. These powerful predators are the largest lizards on the planet, and they have an incredible set of adaptations that make them one of the most successful predators in their environment. In this video, we will be discussing their physical characteristics, behavior, habitat, diet, and some interesting facts about them. So let's get started. Physical characteristics. The Komodo dragon is a large reptile that can grow up to 10 feet in length and weigh as much as 300 pounds. They have a distinctive appearance, with rough, scaly skin, long muscular tails, and powerful legs with sharp claws. Komodo dragons are covered in a layer of protective scales, which protect them from the bites of other animals. They have a long, forked tongue that they use to smell their surroundings, and their eyesight is adapted to low light conditions, allowing them to hunt effectively at dawn and dusk. Behavior. Komodo dragons are solitary animals that spend most of their time hunting or basking in the sun. They are apex predators, which means that they are at the top of the food chain in their ecosystem. Komodo dragons have a unique hunting style, which involves ambushing their prey and using their powerful jaws to deliver a fatal bite. They are also capable of running at high speeds for short distances, and they can swim well, which makes them effective hunters in both water and land environments. Diet. Komodo dragons are carnivores, and they eat a variety of prey, including deer, water buffalo, pigs, and other small mammals. They have a unique adaptation in their saliva, which is full of bacteria that can cause sepsis and blood poisoning in their prey. When the Komodo dragon bites its prey, the bacteria enter the wound, causing the prey to weaken and eventually die. The Komodo dragon will then track the dying prey and devour it whole, bones and all. Habitat. Komodo dragons are native to the islands of Indonesia, and they can be found in a variety of habitats, including tropical forests, grasslands, and coastal regions. They prefer hot, dry environments and are often found in areas with low rainfall. The islands they inhabit are volcanic in origin, and the Komodo dragon has adapted to the rugged terrain and harsh conditions of their environment. Lifestyle. Komodo dragons are solitary and powerful predators, roaming territories dependent on the individual's size, covering a distance of around 2 kilometers every day. They are also known to be excellent swimmers, traveling from one island to another over a relatively long distance. Although they are solitary animals, a number of Komodo dragons will often gather around a single kill. In order to catch large animals, these lizards sit for hours, hidden in the vegetation, camouflaged by gray-brown skin. They then ambush the victim with incredible speed and force. Reproduction. Besides feeding on a large carcass, Komodo dragons reside in groups during the breeding season, around September, when nearby males fight standing on their hind legs, propped up by their tails, vying for breeding rights. After mating, females lay up to 25 leathery eggs in a hole made of soft sand. The young hatch after an incubation period between 8 and 9 months and have distinguishing cream bands, which they lose as they get older. Young Komodo dragons are completely independent of the time they leave their shell. However, until they grow to a larger size, this young venture up into the trees, spending most of their time there until they are large enough to fend for themselves on the ground. These reptiles live for an average of 30 years in the wild. Amazing facts about Komodo dragons. Komodo dragons are not dragons. Komodo dragons are venomous. They live on their own island. Komodo dragons may have originated in Australia. They have an excellent sense of smell. Their tails are as long as their bodies. Komodo dragons are carnivores. Komodo dragons can swim. They are a vulnerable species. Predators and threats. Due to the fact that the Komodo dragon is the most dominant predator in its environment, mature adults have no natural predators in their native habitats. Upon the first arrival of people on the islands, the Komodo dragon's lifestyle changed dramatically. Humans hunt these lizards and encroach into their native habitats to establish settlements and clear forests for timber and agriculture. Volcanic activity also threatens these animals, as the islands are geologically active. Events such as this lead to declines in prey species, in turn affecting the local Komodo dragon populations. Komodo dragons are venomous. The Komodo dragon has 50 different types of toxic bacteria in their saliva that thrive on traces of flesh, causing bite wounds to quickly become infected. However, recent studies indicate that the real reason for such a high success rate in killing prey could be down to the fact that a venom gland exists in this reptile's mouth. Researchers in Australia had the rare opportunity to examine 2 Komodo dragons that were put down in zoos due to terminal illnesses. The team found that the animal does possess a venom gland with venom capable of rapidly decreasing blood pressure and blood loss, sending the victim into shock and making it too weak to fight. Some compounds in the venom that reduce blood pressure were as potent as the world's most venomous snake, the inland taipan of Western Australia. Similar animals. Iguana, large and colorful, they're considered an invasive species in some regions and a favorite among pet enthusiasts in others. Find out about this reptile, which is capable of growing up to 7 feet. Monitor. Lizard, highly intelligent with a voracious appetite, they're cousins to the Komodo dragon. Read about these lizards, which have a metabolism that is similar to a mammal's. Skink lizard, some are aquatic, others are arboreal, and they're found all over the planet. Here's all you need to know about these reptiles capable of laying eggs and birthing live young at the same time. In conclusion, the Komodo dragon is an incredible reptile that has adapted to its harsh environment in a unique and fascinating way. They are powerful predators with a set of adaptations that make them one of the most effective hunters on the planet. While they have a fearsome reputation, they are not typically aggressive towards humans unless they feel threatened. We hope you enjoyed learning more about these fascinating Komodo dragon. Thank you for watching.